With Bitcoin testing $95,000. Yeah, you heard that right. $95,000 Bitcoin. A lot of people are wondering why Shiba Inu Coin is sitting steady. Is it done? Is it over? And the answer is no, right? Shiba Inu Coin is not done. As a matter of fact, we continue to sit in this bull flag pennant that we are in, unable to confirm a breakout to the upside. Now, when, not if, when we break out, it's going to be a very bullish move for Shiba Inu Coin, and we're going to be talking about that. Because will Dogecoin and Shiba Inu Coin continue their parabolic run ahead? I'm just going to spoil it. On-chain data indicates that meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu Coin, and others are likely to continue their rally. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin in this video, running higher. But if you have not been diversifying, you need to check out Pepe Meme. Pepe Meme has an awesome website. They're building a lot out here. They've got Web3 games. They've got a Pepe-verse game on Telegram that already has 31.1 million users, staking rewards, a launch pad where you guys can go in there and launch your own meme coins with a couple clicks of a button. Check this out, a very easy tutorial on how to buy if you guys can't figure out how to connect your wallet. The token address is already available on Solana. You guys can pull that up, see that it exists, and these guys are getting a ton of support out on X, which you should expect because they have 500,000 plus followers out on their X account. Now, the thing that I like most about Pepe Meme is that you're going to have crazy launch day gains. So far, $1.248 million has been raised, and you guys can actually get a bonus if you become a shrimp, fish, dolphin, or whale. With 868 people already jumping into this pre-sale, I think you're going to see why in a second here. Okay, it's very easy to grab yourself some Pepe Meme here. You can do it with any cryptocurrency in your wallet. But look at this. If you grab with Solana, okay, it's going to be launching on Solana's blockchain, so that's why I'm showing you Solana here. 10 Solana is roughly $2,300 right now. On launch day, it's going to be $24,000 worth. And if you want to figure out just how much money you guys are going to have on launch day, of course, come in here, put the amount of Pepe Meme that you have in your portfolio, and then, okay, $2,400 that you would buy today on launch day is going to be worth $35,000. The gains are incredible. And I believe that's one of the reasons 800 and something plus people have already jumped into Pepe Meme. The community is growing, so make sure to check this one out if you guys are willing to diversify ahead of this meme coin rally. But like I was saying, right, Shiba Inu Coin sitting stagnant today. 24.55 is relatively low, considering Bitcoin is $94,800 per coin. It's testing 95,000, hitting yet another all-time high. So I did a little bit of research before I came on here this morning, and what I noticed is what we've been talking about for the last couple of months. The cyclical nature of the markets are that Bitcoin generates the rally, right? Bitcoin inspires the buying, and Bitcoin runs first. And I encourage you, go back to 2021 and check out the graphs. In 2021, Bitcoin peaked around, and I could be a little bit wrong on these dates, but it was around October 20th that Bitcoin had run up and hit about $60,000, $68,000, $69,000. And it wasn't until the end of October that Shiba Inu Coin, there was about a 1 week to 2 week period where it took Shiba Inu Coin to rip through and hit its all-time high. So what happens is Bitcoin begins to saturate. And then once Bitcoin saturates and retail feels very, very greedy, knowing that, well, they can make some money on Bitcoin, but they can make crazy gains on the memes, it's a very short explosion that you're going to see in meme coins. And I believe that that could be on the horizon. So let's see what these analysts have to say, and hopefully it coincides with what I think. It says recent on-chain data indicates that the leading meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu Coin, and others are poised to rally in the coming days, sparking market optimism. Into the Block data has recently highlighted a trend saying that the investors haven't fully entered the crypto space yet, especially in the meme coin segment. Okay, so they're starting to return to Bitcoin and maybe some of the larger coins. That's why we see Solana sitting at $240. Ethereum trying to claw its way back, sitting at about $3,100. It says, Into the Block data has recently highlighted a trend saying that investors haven't fully entered the cryptocurrency space yet, especially the meme coin segment, which suggests that these cryptos could witness further rallies ahead. Besides, a flurry of other market trends also hints at a potential rally for Doge and SHIB. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu Coin likely to continue their rally. The latest rally in top meme coins indicates that investors are shifting their focus towards the sector. Notably, Dogecoin has noted a monthly gain of nearly 175%, while Shiba Inu Coin records around 33% gains in the same time frame, indicating the positive sentiment hovering in the market. Amid this, leading on-chain analytics platform Into the Block highlights that meme coin activity is still lower than previous peaks, despite rising market caps. In a recent post on X, the platform has witnessed this disparity. Notably, the data indicates that retail investors have yet to fully re-engage with the meme coin market. And I agree. Guys, we've been looking at these charts for a while now. This one here indicates that retail investors are returning to the space. This one here indicates that meme coin, as a search term, is getting huge demand and is expected to continue increasing. So what that does mean is it coincides and validates what Into the Block data is showing. That retail investors are returning, but they're still nowhere near the previous peaks. Meaning one of two things, guys. And you're going to be able to determine this for yourself, I guess time is the only really determining factor. But make a decision, okay? Because it's going to be one of two things. Number one, it means that the previous peak will never be reached again. Okay, retail investors are returning, but we're not at the same levels as previous peaks. Fine. Maybe that was it. Maybe cryptocurrency was just a fad. Maybe meme coins were just a fad. Maybe we're never going to see these gains and this is just an industry that's going to fizzle out. It almost sounds foolish to say that, doesn't it? Think about it for a second. The other alternative is that retail just isn't confident enough yet. A lot of people have a lot of stuff going on in their life, right? Inflation is ridiculously high. Their bills are higher than normal. They don't necessarily have the money. Maybe they got burned in the past and they're waiting for something to confirm another move to the upside before jumping in. But the crypto industry will continue to grow. Now, if you believe it's going to continue to grow, like I do, now is the time to accumulate. And that is exactly what I am doing. One of the places that I am doing so is out on the KSEX centralized exchange. These guys have the best selection of meme coins and really the best selection of cryptocurrency that I have seen. But if you're focused on memes, you can't beat them if you want access to these memes here in the United States. There's a link for it in the description below. You guys are going to get a 370 USDT deposit bonus if you fill out the tasks, but of course you don't have to. And you can trade on leverage. Very important if you guys have not been accumulating. Consider leverage. I don't necessarily like it because it just adds a little bit of risk. And, of course, it increases your reward. But dude, you got to be able to sleep at night no matter what leverage you choose. Up to 100x leverage, you're certainly not going to be sleeping at night. 2x leverage, maybe you can sleep peacefully at night. But make sure whatever you do, it is best for you. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.